I'll get aggressive. Hello and welcome back to my channel. This time I am backpacking around the coastal towns of Karnataka. Right now I'm in Belgaum. I got a very cheap flight from Pune and from here I'm headed towards Gokarna. This is going to be a tedious journey, I think. I have to find the bus to the main city, then from there to Gokarna again a bus. So I hope I have no issues and see you soon. So after traveling for around 8 to 10 hours, changing 3 buses, I've reached Gokarna. Right now it's 9:30 and I'm in my hostel. To be honest, I had more expectations from this hostel, but I don't know. It looks okay. You're paying just $5.50 for it, but it's meh. I hope tomorrow's a better day. Super exhausted right now, so good night. And I'll show you Gokarna tomorrow. Good morning from Gokarna. So finally the sun's out and I can give a verdict that it's good now, it's safe now. This is my hostel and this is Aparna. So right now we're planning to just roam around Gokarna. We are heading towards getting a bike and let's see where the roads take us. What the hell? This is so beautiful.
Yeah, I'm just.
You want to turn it off?
No. Oh crap! Did you taking it?
So finally we have a ride and the two of us are driving to at the beaches and just look at this view. And the sky is also blue. Wow. So right now I'm at Om Beach and this is what I'm doing here. Oh my god. It's just and we're finally at the main beach of Gokarna. It's quite a pleasant weather compared to the horrors of afternoon. So this beach is obviously a bit crowded than the home beach. So yeah, we're just gonna catch some waves and soak in the sea. This is our first seafood thali in this whole trip. This is a prawns thali and it looks delicious. Let's see how it tastes. Good morning from Gokarna. Today we headed out for a morning swim to Kudle beach and surprisingly this is the route to the beach. It looks like a road to a waterfall, but let's see where this leads us. Okay, this is me catching waves. My god, this is huge. So I'm done with my meal at Honimane. It was quite crowded, so I couldn't take any video. To be honest, the food was okay, a bit overhyped for me. I had ordered for the surmai fish or the kingfish, and I think they gave me the bangda fish, and it didn't feel that fresh. Otherwise, the Mangalorean curry was good. Rice is again good, but I preferred fish corner from yesterday than this one.
And well, my gut instinct couldn't be more right. This fish was gonna wreak havoc the next day. Well, other than that, Gokarna is quite a peaceful place. You can just sit along and enjoy the beaches, the food, the vibe, everything. It's such a beautiful town that you almost feel like you're living in it for real.
Feeling super sick. Oh my god, I have to find shelter. Ayo.